we still have the opposing forces of high pressure, and that usually causes a sinking air motion, and that really winds down the effectiveness of the sea breeze to kick off those showers and storms. We don't have the high on top of us, so we do have at least some minor support for what we do have out there. I do foresee a little weakening of that high, especially by midweek and beyond, and we can see a slight effect of maybe a couple more showers and storms for tomorrow. Our wind flow will still be from the north and northeast, but then the sea breeze comes in. We'll get a little swing around to the south with that, and those two wind boundaries, if the moisture is just right and the timing of the day, yeah, we can see a couple more with just a little bit of weakening of that high pressure mechanism. So that can also give us some rain. I think a better chance comes later tomorrow night. Some clustered thunderstorms in the Carolinas tomorrow evening will have a tendency to move southwest. So I do think in the late night, early morning hours, we can at least have some rain. It's not a guarantee for severe weather. I think it'll be in the weakening phase. But instead of the afternoon variety of showers, which can still be in place, I think the bulk of the rain chances for tomorrow could be at night. Now, the rain totals don't look all that heavy. We could see up to an inch in some cases, especially if that cluster holds together a little longer. And if it does, that can give us maybe a few gustier winds for tomorrow night and a few more claps of thunder. But the rain activity into Thursday, Friday gets a little bit of a kick. It's not a guarantee for everybody to get rain, but we reverse that wind. It becomes more southerly. That helps to support more moisture, plus the further weakening of that high. That does mean our rain activity starts to ramp up, but we'll still have some intermittent sunshine in between the afternoon. Lows tonight, mid-70s. We'll make our run towards the upper half of the 90s again tomorrow. Maybe an isolated 100-degree reading. But the later we go through this week, the less likely we'll flirt with that 100 mark, especially considering the additional clouds and additional areas of rain and thunderstorms. 60-70% coverage even into the weekend does not mean it's going to rain all the time, but we will have these come-and-go types of showers, and they can be more than just once during the day. And with that, we get back into the average range. Average high is about 91. We'll be in that neighborhood over the weekend, and lows in the lower 70s.